It's Wind Up Wednesday, and this one is simple. Either help me, hire me, or be quiet. Because commentary without contribution is noise. Advice without alignment is only distraction. And opinions without action don't build anything. If you're not pouring in, partnering up, or opening a door, you don't get to critique the process. Everyone won't understand your assignment. And quite frankly, everyone doesn't need access to your journey. Some people are called to support, some people are called to pay, and some are called to just step aside. This Wednesday, I need you to protect your focus because, quite frankly, everyone does not deserve a seat at the table. I mean, especially if they're not bringing anything to the table. Listen, I hope you believe it, I hope you receive it, and I hope you knock the rest of this week out. I love you. Be safe. Stay blessed.